What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video I will quickly show you around the Nike Dunk High Football Grey and give you my opinion on them as well. So, here is the box. These are my girlfriend's size 5 UK. That's the box. They were released on the 14th of January. Along with Vast Grey, Grey Varsity Red and Low Coast. My girlfriend picked these because she liked the colorway and they actually look nice on fit. So the retail price on these £95. We didn't get the chance to actually cop them for retail. So these are from eBay for £165, which just sucks. We've been kind of waiting the ASOS to release them, but they never really updated and never released these, so that's a bit sad, but yeah, here we are. They look really nice. As I mentioned, on fit you can really put nice outfits together. I'll show you around. So cute. The bottoms. It's so hard to get to the size tag. Don't know if you can see anything there. Okay, size 5. So as you can tell, the quality is pretty poor, in my opinion. They're very lightweight, very flimsy. Feels really cheap in hands. The stitching. See here, some creases. They were never worn. So yeah, retail £95. These are for £165. They don't worth £165, but hey, if you like the shoe, you're gonna spend a little bit more, or twice the price. So there's really nothing much to say about these. They look really good, they look really nice on fit, but when you look closer and when you hold them, they feel really cheap. Yeah, if you guys got any questions, let me know. What do you think about these shoes? Just notice now that here this part is smaller than on this one. Not even the same size. Yeah, so leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you like this kind of content, subscribe, because why not? You're already here. Shout out to Toby. He's a quality control cat. Very cute. What else to say? Nothing much. And I will see you in the next one. Peace!